Welcome to Tactical Llama EDC. My name is Tom, and what I've got here for you is something from my personal collection that, in the nature of the giveaway, I figured we'd give away something exclusive and kind of limited. It is the Crispy Donut Community CJRB collaboration reverse Tanto Hectare. That was a really long description / name there. But here we have it. There were only 125 of each variant made, meaning 125 of the PVD coated ones and 125 of the non-coated version. We do have the classic G10 sprinkle scales representing Crispy Donut Community. It is a lock bar rocking that AR RPM 9 blade steel. It's a very fidgety, lightweight, enjoyable carry. This exact one hasn't seen any action, as I've carried a separate CJRB Hectare, and just didn't really want to put this one through any work. Looking back on it, I'm kind of glad I didn't use this at all, because now it's available for the subscriber giveaway. So thank you everyone for all the support. I really look forward to seeing everyone at the upcoming live stream. I'll announce some more information on that here soon. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel with your notifications turned on so you get notified when I drop that video explaining all the information and how we'll proceed with the giveaway. So thank you so much to everyone. Thank you for watching, and carry your personality.